In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification for Google Workspace or Gmail. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, you'll first need to head over to the Google Workspace website. This is where we can establish the security foundation. Once there, you'll want to search for and click on the admin console. The admin console serves as your command center where you manage account security and settings. Now that you're in the admin console, navigate over to the Google Workspace dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control panel, giving you a bird's eye view of your account settings. From the dashboard, the next step is crucial. Find and click on security. This will lead you to the various security settings available for your account. Here, think of it as the control room of a safe, where you set up the robust locks and barriers to keep your data secure. Within the security settings, locate the option for authentication. Authentication is a process by which your identity is verified. It's essential for maintaining account security, sort of the same way you might use a key or a fingerprint to unlock a door. Now that we're working on authentication, it's time to click on two-step verification. This is where the magic happens. Two-step verification requires something you know, like your password, and something you have, like a phone or security key. It acts like a second gatekeeper for accessing your account. After clicking on two-step verification, you'll see the option to enable it. Simply switch it on, and to finalize everything, make sure you hit the save button. Congratulations! You've just significantly bolstered the security of your Google account by enabling two-step verification. Just remember to keep your backup options updated and secure. That wraps up our quick guide on setting up two-step verification for your Google Workspace or Gmail. By following these steps, you fortified your account, making it far more challenging for unauthorized users to gain access. Thanks for joining today, and be sure to protect all your digital assets with the same level of commitment. Until next time, stay secure.